Welcome to Cattle Lab's How to series. Today, we'll show you how to drive property deals with multi-agentic AI. This platform uses conversational agents to process property data and deliver real-time insights. Ask questions like, what's the estimated value of this home? Or show properties with high appreciation rates. From property search to investment analysis, LangGraph-powered AI makes real estate smarter and faster. This diagram shows how intelligent routing and data enrichment work in a property workflow. It starts with Choose Route, which directs the flow based on user input or logic. Then, Fill Categories captures user data. If key info is missing, Basic Profile fills in the gaps to ensure smooth API calls. The enriched data is then sent to various API blocks like school, neighborhood, rental AVM, owner details, sales trends, sales comparable address, and snapshot, each fetching specific property insights. Finally, Summary Response compiles everything into a complete and accurate output for the user. We begin by importing key libraries like LangGraph, LangChain, typing, and helper modules like requests, OS, and DOTN to securely load environment variables and access API keys. Next, a custom state is defined to manage data flow consistently across all agents and functions. We then connect the GPT model using LangChain's chat OpenAI, authenticated through an API key. The choose_route function is added to decide the next workflow step based on user intent. After that, the fill_categories function is introduced to extract and organize all relevant user data for further use. We define the basic profile tool, which sets up state handling for incomplete user inputs. This is followed by the basic_profile function that uses GPT to intelligently fill in missing information. We then implement additional tools and functions for specific API integrations, like schools, neighborhoods, and ownership details, supporting targeted data retrieval. The summary_response function pulls together all API results into one clear and meaningful summary. Next, the route_direction function lays out the logic for routing user inputs across the workflow. The route_basic_profile function handles cases specifically triggered by the basic profile, routing to the right data tools. We then build the LangGraph workflow, connecting all tools and logic into a cohesive pipeline. The graph is visualized to give a clear view of how components interact and how data flows through the system. Finally, we run the full workflow using user input, embedding the query into the state, executing the graph, and returning a dynamic AI-generated response. This solution supports multiple use cases in real estate. First, property investment analysis uses AI insights and real-time data to identify high-growth opportunities. Next, property portfolio management helps optimize holdings by tracking appreciation and rental yields. Smart Property Discovery uses conversational AI to automate searches based on user preferences like location, price, and ROI. And for real estate research, it provides accurate data for analyzing regional trends and valuation models. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Gen AI. Thanks for watching.